Bonjour and welcome back. My family and I recently came back from a trip to the south of France and I've been inspired by one of the classic French dishes, which is perfect for this time of year in the autumn, a beef bourguignon. Now, before you click away, don't. Yes, I'm aware it might sound fancy, it may sound complicated, but it really isn't. You follow these steps, it'll be the easiest version you'll ever make, and you can add to your cooking skill list. Now, it's also known as a beef and red wine stew. So it gives a hint as to what you're going to find in there. We're going to end up making a rich, deep, savoury and red wine stew right in your slow cooker. So it'll be minimal effort, about 20 minutes preparation and maximum flavour. Now, you don't need to be chef trained to make this. You just need to follow some of the simple steps in this video and you'll surprise yourself just how easy it is, and your family will absolutely love it. What I'm doing here is browning off the beef. I've got it on a high heat. The reason for the high heat is because I want to make sure it's browned on the outsides. I don't want to start cooking it through. That's what the slow cooker does. So when it's nice and brown, I'll then start popping it with the streaky bacon. And you can see there's not a lot of beef in there at the minute. It's because I'm cooking in batches. This is half of it. This way it's easier to move around the pan, easier to brown off, and all this juice here can evaporate a little bit easier. If it's all in the pan at once, it almost starts to stew up, boil up, and you're not really browning it. You're kind of cooking it in the pan then. So I'm going to add this with the bacon, which I'm keeping warm. Keep it on high heat. Add the remaining beef. You can see I've got a mixture here. Purposely picked up marbled, and I picked up a pack that look very lean as well. So you can see there's a mixture. Let me in the comments if you buy your beefs from the butchers and then chop it up yourself. Be interested to know what cuts you buy. That's something I'd like to do locally around here. Source it locally, speak to the butchers. So I've got 12 here, so you can see some are a bit big. I'm going to try and keep them as whole as I can. That's fine, but the others I think I might just half them, I'm not sure. See how I get on. But these need to go into the pan and cook them through. Here's a little tip for you. So yeah, this onion's too big, but if you just peel maybe one more layer off, let's see if it actually works. There we go. The onion itself comes into two. Perfectly, it'll hold its shape, not fall apart. But we'll put it in. After 6 to 8 minutes, just take them off the heat, and we'll get into the rest of this. Now I have drained off stock already from within this pot here. Stock. 1 tablespoon of flour. And then it's optional, you can do herbs de Provence. It does double up in some of the other ones, but I quite like it. Let's do it through. So if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe, comment, help the channel grow so we can make more dishes like this. And then just finish it with